What's going on, everybody? Porch Light here. Porch Light. Yeah, it's been a second. You know how the holidays are. They creep up on you, and then next thing you know, it's January. Well, because of these guys here, we still got videos coming out, y'all, because we are still growing. It's holding up pretty nice. As you see, the moisture is not frozen. It's actually kind of warm out here. It's about 50 degrees out here now, but that's why I'm opening this up. Plus it's gonna rain. But as you see, the garden is still flourishing, y'all. Let me do a quick walk around. See, we got that. Yep. Brassicas are doing good, y'all. Nice and healthy. Okay. All right. We're going to see what's going on in the greenhouse now. Either way, I got videos that I have not released that need to be released. Look, I'm going to have to put y'all down for 2 seconds. Yeah, there we go. That way I don't have to cut the video up. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's flip this around. Yeah, it's a lot easier without doing it with one hand. But you know, whatever. All right, here we go. So as you see, we still got, what do you call it? Sweet potatoes. It's early. You know, growing. Still got the citronella plant. That's supposed to have been out of here. We got fig going there. Looks like this guy needs to be watered. Now this, to me, is the biggest success because these wire lemons last throughout the winter. But by February, these things are out of here. At least the ones I've had. This is not only held up, but it's kept its leaves, y'all. So this is a success to me. And of course, this tomato plant now. Thing about this tomato plant is you see it's getting kind of brown. And that's because I think it has seen better days, but I do still have leaves on some of these. So let's check out the other one. Y'all remember this one from years past. All right. Let's do this. All right. Now, you look in there, and we got lettuce back there. You got a tomato plant here. And I think that's about done. It was actually doing better in that one, but you can't have tomatoes all the time, you know? So I think I'm about to cut that down, but these is doing good. Have some leaves. Some lettuce rather for that hungry bunny in there. And here we go. So basically, this is a success. I think we're gonna go ahead and let these tomato plants go. Or at least trim them up real good. Get these last tomatoes off. Actually, they're still growing right here, so I may just leave it be and see what happens. I don't know. Don't know. But, oh yeah, look at all that. Look at all that. We are doing good in here. And as you see, I got a fan installed and lights, and think about putting some Christmas lights up so I can get a little warm in here, but Y'all know about Christmas lights, y'all. Y'all gotta watch them. If y'all not trying to watch them, don't put them in. We got more materials coming up. We got gonna go ahead and put out those older videos. So I'm putting this out today. And if you see older videos, don't think I'm being lazy. I just ain't put them out. But porch light out, y'all. This is what we doing in the greenhouse. And we gonna still be growing throughout the winter. I'm out.